Hey, let's dive into how to attach, import a file, get the published link, and downloadable PDF. I'll walk you through step by step. First, add HTTP module get a file. Click HTTP module and add the URL that you wanted to import and attach as a file. The next module will be Prospero module. Create a proposal. Click Prospero module. Now click Add to add the Prospero credentials and save it. Add the proposal type, project name, and client name. Now under Select Custom Proposal Type, choose Import Proposal. Under File, click Map. It will ask to these details such as Imported Proposal File Type, enter the file type such as PDX, etc. Under Imported Proposal File, choose the data that we got from the previous module and click OK. This will now import the file that we added as a new proposal. Now run the scenario. You can now open your Prospero account and open your proposal to check. The new file is imported into the proposal. You can also add new sections and edit them. In the same way, we can attach a file. Now open Prospero module. Click Attachments. Under File, choose Map. Add file name. Add the file type as PDF. Add the file size data and click OK. Now run the scenario. Open the Prospero account and open the proposal. You can see the file attached at the bottom. You can get the published link from the output. To get the PDF downloadable link, add Watch Sign Proposal Trigger. Click the trigger and connect your account. Run the scenario. We can now sign a proposal to test the trigger. Wait for a few seconds till the scenario runs. Now you can click the output and get the proposal PDF. Thanks for watching.